Leute, herzlich willkommen bei mir, Baba J, und bei meinem neuen Video. Heute sind wir bei Chilling Scares unterwegs und wir schauen uns das Video über die neuesten gruseligen Sachen, die auf einer Dashcam aufgenommen worden sind, an. Dann würde ich sagen, viel Spaß mit dem Video, wir gönnen uns einmal. Achso, das ist das Intro. Okay, da hat er mich schon mal leicht verarscht.
This first dashcam video was captured in Australia. Two men in a Mercedes are driving down the highway when, through their rear dashcam, a car is seen quickly approaching. It then swerves around the two guys before getting in front of them and slamming on the brakes, clearly trying to run them off the road. But what first could be written off as road rage soon takes a more serious and disturbing turn. The two men notice the driver has an axe and is now waving it out his window and threatening them.
What the fuck?
Like, what are you doing? Oh.
Alter, die ersten Versuche von einem Serienkiller für seinen ersten Mord. Alter, der Periode irgendwann, what the fuck? Was willst du Vollidiot? Das ist Scheiße.
The sudden and unexpected encounter forces the two men to take
Welche
a quick
folgt
U-turn
er
towards the
ihnen
guy,
noch?
but he continues to follow
Alter,
them.
der hat ja voll
The
keine
situation
Hobbys.
is then taken even further when the two use the next exit and approach a roundabout.
Hm? Was und dann gehen sie raus. Ich wäre mit dem jetzt da ein bisschen im Kreis gefahren, macht doch Spaß. Oh, Digi!
Holy! Man, cool cops. Yeah.
Der andere, der rammt ihn einfach von hinten in den Arsch.
No. Okay, guys. Just get...
Nochmal? Schön. Läuft.
2 times the
Ah,
Mercedes is rear-ended,
that's his auto
the second of
fix.
which
Oh.
causes the attacker to spin out, sending him off the road. This allowed the two guys to get away. They would then drive to the nearest police station, where they would report what had just happened. When police arrived to the scene of the crash, the car was gone. However, a few hours later, they would find the vehicle on the road, and from there the driver was arrested. Later, the owner of the dashcam footage would give the video more context. Apparently, the driver chasing them, for whatever reason, was 100% convinced they had robbed his house the night before. But obviously this wasn't the case. The two guys had never before even seen the man. It was determined that he was under the influence of something. He would be charged with multiple offenses, which put him in prison for 2 years.
Also, er hat den ganzen Scheiß durchgezogen, weil er irgendwie gemeint hat, dass die beiden Dudes, die da den Mercedes mit fetten Mercedes-Stern fahren, angeblich sein Haus ausgeraubt haben. Und nachdem er gefickt worden ist für die Scheiße, die er da durchgezogen hat, ist er für 2 Jahre in den Knast gekommen für den Scheiß. Ja. Finger weg von Drogen.
August of 2018, Justin Bilton and his 70-year-old father were camping at Glacier National Park in Montana. They had only been in the park for 3 hours when they were informed of an immediate evacuation of the area. A forest fire ignited by lightning the previous night had gotten too far out of control. However, by the time they got the evacuation notice, unknown to them, the only road out of the park had already been engulfed by the fire.
Do I go?
Es gibt nur den Weg durchs Feuer aus dem Park raus. Wolltest du mich eigentlich komplett verarschen? Wie behindert ist denn das?
I think we can drive through this.
What? Dad, what if the car blows up?
Ted,
Ja,
Dad, this is insane.
I know. We don't want you trapped in here.
Scheiße, Alter. Bruder, die tun mir jetzt gerade richtig leid, die beiden dort im Auto. Es gibt nur den Weg dort durch und ja, könnten sie explodieren, sie könnten versticken im Auto oder so, Bruder. Sie können auch einfach gekocht werden lebendig, ja. Schön. Ja, gibt keinen anderen Weg.
Good. Slow down. Slow down. There's a big rut here. Just slow down. We're out of that fire.
We're not out of bed, Dad. We're not out.
We're good though.
Vater muss auch noch die ganze Zeit seinen Sohn beruhigen. Die hat selber wahrscheinlich auch Panik des Todes, Mann. Ja, das ist wirklich ein gruseliges Video.
Easy. Easy. Can't see. Just go easy now. Easy.
Dad, the car is heating up. It's gonna explode.
We're alright.
Dad, what if a tree falls on us?
We're okay.
Please, God, help us.
You're doing good. You're doing good.
Oh my God. Dad, we can't get out.
I'm getting out. You
We-
can't drive back. We get that out of the road. We get gloves.
Oh my God.
Stop. Stop.
Dad, we gotta get out of here.
Geiler Scheiß, und dann musst du auch noch aussteigen, zum so einen scheiß Baum, der da im Weg liegt, auf die Seite rum. Dort mitten drin, Alter, mitten im
They had
Feuer.
nowhere to go but back, so they ended up reversing through everything they had just went through. When they reached their campsite, they abandoned their car and desperately started running towards a nearby lake. By some miracle, there they would find 2 park employees in a boat on the shore of the lake. Justin and his father were rescued and taken to safety, leaving everything but this horrifying footage behind. This dashcam footage shows the armed robbery of a cab driver. The driver, Ralph Valletta, had just started his shift.
Das finde ich auch immer so. Bro, ich kann gut nachvollziehen, dass es Leute gibt, die Überfall machen. Bei mir fließt das Cash auch nicht so wirklich. Also, man kann es teilweise verstehen, wieso die Leute das machen. Aber, Bruder, ja, ihr habt doch nicht einen Taxifahrer.
It was his first ride of the day. He was stopped at a light, and the rider can be seen in the back slouched down. But abruptly, he sits up and demands Ralph give him everything he has.
This is robbery, man.
Alright, hey.
Give me all your money, man.
Man, I don't.
Give me all, everything you got. Give me that now.
All right.
I need it now.
All right.
We can make this the easy way, or we can make this the
I'll
hard way,
give you
man.
everything I got, man.
Keep your hand where I can see him.
I just
See,
started.
what
I
I-
just started.
We can make this the easy way, or we can make this the hard way. Because I'm the fucking OG gangster. Yo, I'm from the hood, biatch. Yeah. Bro. Da hat, glaube ich, ein paar Gangsterfilme zu viel gesehen, ja.
I
Let
just
me see your
started.
wallet. Let me see your.
I don't have anything in my
Listen,
wallet.
Lasst mal auf seine Stimme. Lasst mal auf dem. Die. Zieht euch mal dem seine Stimme rein. Sie ist voll am Zittern. Der hat keine Ahnung, was er dort macht. Der überfällt, glaube ich, zum ersten Mal
What else
jemanden.
you got?
I just
Let me see your
started.
wallet. Let me see your.
I don't have anything in
Listen,
my
we can do
wallet.
this the hard way, or we can do this the easy way, man. Let me see your wallet and let me see your phone. I need it all right now. If you don't want to die, man.
Okay.
Ja, der heult ja fast. Fast da los. Und der andere nur so, ja, ich mach ja, chill der Leben, alles gut, komm aber. Lass es. Es gibt andere Wege, um dir Geld zu besorgen. Du musst nicht arme Taxifahrer rausgelben.
Give it all to me now.
Okay. Okay.
Unbeknownst to the rider, a police cruiser was stopped at the same light directly behind them. Some people in the robbery, the light
Ist mir gar nicht aufgefallen, wie geil sie das sind. Der steht einfach direkt hinter ihm. Einfach der Bullenwagen direkt
to
hinter
Oh,
the lane they
ihm.
were in had turned green. And to see that they were moving, the officer put on his lights and got out to investigate.
Don't have anything in my wallet. I don't
Give me
carry
your
it.
wallet and your phone.
No, please don't give me my phone. I need that for my. There's a cop behind this. There's a cop.
Er sagt ihm sogar noch. Er sagt ihm sogar noch, da ist ein Bull hinter uns. Alter, schaut, wie geil der Taxifahrer drauf ist und der, Bro, einfach der grösste Vollidiot, wo je hat's gibt's. What the fuck, wie blöd bist du eigentlich? Du hast so verdient, dass du jetzt gefickt wirst.
Almost immediately, the officer would realize that a robbery was taking place. So, in response, he would order the rider out of the car, where he would then be detained. The rider was arrested and later charged with multiple offenses.
Alter, der ist ja so behindert, der
In
Vollidiot.
April of 2021, a man named Mitch Kuhn was driving on the highway back from work when he saw this.
Oh shit,
A
ist
child
das
that looks
Kind?
to be wearing a large jacket, or that's possibly wrapped in a blanket, begins walking out in the middle of the highway,
Oh,
just barely
Scheiße.
missing Mitch's truck. Mitch was towing a trailer, and felt that if he abruptly stopped, it would cause an accident. So instead, he opted to call the police, reporting an unattended child walking on the highway. Police assured Mitch that they'd send out patrol units immediately. An hour later, Mitch called again for a follow-up, as well as to offer the footage he had caught on his dashcam. But he was told that it wouldn't be necessary, as the child
Jetzt am Anfang schon für ein Kind gehalten, aber das könnte ja auch irgendwie eine Tüte sein, die vom Wind
had been
komisch
collected and was on his way home.
hin.
However,
Ach, keine
strangely,
Ahnung.
police would later state
Weiss
that no
nicht,
child
es kann auch irgendetwas anderes
was found,
sein.
despite officers searching the area
So-
until 3:45 a.m.
Beim Standbild
Additionally,
hat es jetzt
they
auch
would
nicht
claim
wirklich
that at
ausgesehen
no
wie ein
point did they
Kind.
tell Mitch that they had found the child. The next morning, multiple volunteers commenced a search of the area, but no child was ever found, and therefore the search eventually ended. At the time the footage was captured, there were no reports of a missing child in the area. It remains unknown who exactly was captured in this video.
Ja, es hat ja jetzt auch nicht wirklich ausgesehen, als würde es laufen, sondern eher, als würde es dort durchgetrieben werden, oder? Also könnte es doch gut irgendwie eine Tüte sein, die vom Wind dort
This
durchgeschleppt
dashcam
wird.
footage was captured in the streets of Taiwan. Right away, it's clear the video takes place in the midst of a storm where the winds are strong enough to throw around debris. At one point, debris is even seen flying against the windshield. But little did the drivers know that an actual tornado was forming right behind them and quickly heading in their direction.
Oh shit!
The dashcam footage captures the exact moment the tornado went directly through them. It was even strong enough to
fuck.
lift vehicles off the ground, which can actually be seen with the white van that pulls out onto the road. The wheels of the vehicle leave the ground, and it begins to get full-on dragged by the tornado, seemingly disappearing. But once the tornado passes, it can be seen much further down the road, wedged in between two trees. More concerning, however, is the person that gets thrown by the tornado on the right side of the road. Unfortunately, this woman would suffer major injuries and would be taken to the hospital. The storm would go on to produce further damage in the form of 50 inches of rain that would cause multiple deadly landslides.
Ingi!
This
Alter.
video was taken in Russia. It shows the dashcam footage of a man driving down a desolate and long stretch of dirt road. Then, up ahead is a car parked in such a way so as to block traffic. Two men with baseball bats begin walking up to the driver, and that's when it becomes clear that this is a robbery, and the parked car was an intentional makeshift roadblock. The driver tries to escape, but the two men get in the way and do their best to prevent it.
Ich will jetzt einfach Gas geben, oder wie?
Fortunately, the driver had a window of opportunity and took advantage. He slammed on the gas and was able to get away unscathed. He then drove around the roadblock and was free. It's unknown if the two men with baseball bats were ever caught. Large
Steh halt nicht vor
bushfire
mir,
broke out in
Auto.
South Australia. This dashcam footage was captured by one of the fire trucks responding to the incident. Right from the start of the video, enormous smoke clouds are shown, depicting just how large the
Sehen,
fire
ja.
had gotten. As the trucks continue forward, visibility
Das ist
gradually
nicht irgendwie
worsens.
ein Sturm
It
oder
gets
so,
so bad
das ist
to where the fire
Feuer.
trucks are forced to stop. Then, in the distance, the fire itself can be seen, spreading towards them unnervingly fast.
Here it comes, the hitch coming. Nick, slow down. Can't hear me, scared of it? It's got to get you up. We're going to go in a burnover very, very quickly now. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes.
Ich bin ja blau, die Flamme, Bruder. Blau und lila Flamme, Alter, what the fuck?
Burnover, Scotty, burnover. Burnover, Scotty.
Scheiße, Bro, Scheiße.
A miscommunication between the two trucks resulted in a collision. The truck in the front was attempting to back up out of the fire, while the truck with the dashcam was entering what's known as a burnover. A burnover is a fire truck protection protocol where the truck stays in place and the crew deploys Velcro blankets to protect themselves from the heat. Water is sprayed outside of the vehicle to keep it from catching on fire, and in the inside, breathing masks are used by the crew. During this protocol, however, the crew from the truck in the front can be heard desperately explaining how they didn't have water for a burnover, or rather their truck's sprinkler system wasn't working properly. They couldn't stay in place and were forced to drive forward in the hopes of escaping the fire, which you can actually see in the video as the truck fades into the distance. Fortunately, this move would end up saving their lives. They would make it to the other side of the fire, and everyone inside the truck, as well as the one with the dash cam, would make it out with minimal injuries.
Luke Palmer.
This footage was captured way back in 2012.
Shit.
It takes place near an airport in Moscow, Russia. The airport is right next to a highway, and on December 29th, this dashcam footage would capture the disturbing moments a plane missed the runway and crash landed just on the right side of the highway. It turns out the plane had mistakenly overshot the runway because of bad weather conditions, so when it landed it didn't have enough room to brake. This left it no choice but to go directly into the highway, causing plane seats and other debris to shoot towards passing vehicles, all of which can be clearly seen in the footage. At the time of the crash, the plane was only carrying crew members. No passengers were on board. But unfortunately, 5 of the 8 total crew members would lose their lives. The driver of the vehicle with the dashcam would make it out unharmed.
Oh, fuck. Krass. Krass. Scheiße. Ja, aber heftig geiles Video gewesen, so. Haltet mal, was es verspricht. Da würde ich sagen, erstens kommst du mal einen fetten Like über, Digi. Richtig geil, Bro, da Like des Todes, Mann. Und da würde ich sagen, hoffe, ihr habt es auch so faszinierend gefunden wie ich. Und danke vielmals fürs Zuschauen. Wir sehen uns beim nächsten Mal. Bis dann. Yeah!
Pass the dutchie on the left hand side. Pass the dutchie on the left hand side. It a go bun.
Give me the music, make me jump and run.
It a go done.
Give me the music, make me
Jano.
jump in the
Pass the dutchie on the left hand side. Pass the dutchie on the left hand side. It a go bun.
Give me the music, make me jump and run.
It a go done.
Give me the